Google Sites Tutorial Speedrun, and go. Right click, go to More, create your Google site. Exit out the prompts. Here you could change your title page. You have the basic text editor options. You can even change the banner to an image where you can upload or select an image from their options or online. The header type, that basically just gives you a couple different options for your banner. You can also resize these, and whenever you see these dotted bars at the top, that just means you can move things around and rearrange them on the page. To actually build out your page, you want to use the Insert tab. Text boxes, you can just type random text. Again, you can resize and use the bars to reorder them on the page. On the left, you'll see some options. The paint lets you change the style, add some color. One of the text options lets you choose different things, which basically just give you a little bit different sizing and look. You can duplicate and rearrange, and of course eliminate with the trash can. You can also input images, embed web pages directly onto your site, or pull things from Google Drive, which is pretty sweet. On the right, if your design instincts are terrible, they have some pre-made layouts that actually look pretty sleek, giving your page a professional look without much effort. Below that, there's some cool little gizmos and gadgets you could explore. One of note is the divider, which just gives you a clean line across the page. You can also add buttons that link to different pages. An image carousel is kind of like a rotating carousel of images, and you can probably figure out the rest from there. If you go to pages, this is where you can add pages to your website. You can add another page if you want to. If you click and hold, you can rearrange the order. These three dots give you options for the page, like making it your home page, making a duplicate of the page. Properties basically means edit the name of the page. Adding a sub page is kind of cool. It basically adds a page that falls within the page. In fact, you can add more sub pages. You can even create a vortex of endless sub pages if that's what you want to do with your life. Of course, you can always delete things. This hide from navigation button basically leaves it there, but people won't see it actively displayed on the website. These themes again give you some nice sleek options to change the look of your page, giving you a clean look without much effort. Up here you change the title of your site file. Here you enter the name of your website. Typically that will be the suggested website when you finally go to publish to make your site live so people can view it. If you don't want people to randomly stumble upon it on Google, check this box. When you're ready, click publish. The settings, if you're watching this video, probably the only one that matters is where do you want your menu bar, the top or the side, which is the left. You could change the color. Here's some interesting things you could figure out if you want to. And lastly, to preview your page, go up to the top computer looking thing, click on it. This is what your site will look like when people actually go to view it. You can even look at it on a phone view or different layouts. Well, I think that's about it.